Hi Bs, this is me, Ruth B, your BSN nursing student, freshie with another vlog. And for today's video Bs, we are having our freshman acquaintance party. So let's go! At exactly 6 p.m. Bs, kinuto na kami largo ha SSU. And our acquaintance party will take place in SSU gym. Finally, we're here, pero may dalagip attendance Bs. So nag-attendance lanay kami, and then we proceed nito na sa Ledhan gym. And yes Bs, alaw pa ng pagkato, asyang hindi pa masyadong damo ang tao. Tapos din entrance Bs, may da nga da photo booth. Ay, da nga ni nag-photo booth lanay kami. Para na daman ha memory. So yan hero mga classmates ko in. Kilala ko hirahan orientation. And then after Bs, tinagan kami mga ribbon. Tidang ribbon pag-identified nga ko NHS kami. And then of course, kahumanhan mga intermission number, nagpa-games na. Tapos dikit hip mapahulihin. And now pick it Bs, and we won. Han first round. Like Jack and Poy kasi tiya, tapos you have a piso. Pero naperdi ako second round na, but that's okay Bs. The important thing is we tried, right? And then after nag-start ng second game, which is ang pinaka-maresyo. Like look at that. Grabe talaga ta nak-cheer nga da. So basically, nagda-dub smash it herahin song. And then, nag-announce na ang winner. Kalawin kung gano'n ra ka-supportive and representative. Like literally, bongga. Usay, ginapapaypayan pa. And then after a while, gin-announce na ang winner. Kisasabuti na kasi talagang magdadaog kay birik-birik ba naman. So from engineering ang nagdaog. How supportive they are. And of course, before the party end, may dasarag yaw! Party yaw! Tas bis, tas may libreng snacks. Kinuha na kita natin snacks. And then, of course, masayaw lang ikit ka ng dos. And that's all for my vlog today, bis. Inulit na kami. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!